before I have a place to stay.
There's a phone in there and a fire extinguisher.
Phone and fire extinguisher. Empty house. How many square feet do you think that is?
600.
600 square feet. For free, too. So, better than any apartment you can get. Oh, it's all broken up. Oh, okay, so I guess this is a smaller one. And then the whole thing's a big one.
The website says dogs are not allowed, but according to this little paper, they must be leashed.
Finding balance. Climate change is long-term effect of excessive greenhouse gases.
Climate change is real, guys.
It's a hoax.
No, it's
I don't
real.
know why it's printed on. This one right here. We are here. Okay. How many miles do you think we walked in already? Quarter of a mile? Quarter of a mile and you get to a fort. So we can either go Cypress Slow area or High Water Bypass. Which one sounds better to you? Alright, gonna do the review of the Kirby Nature Trail real quick. It sucks. Easy trail. I didn't like it. Just a bunch of trees everywhere. Dirty creek. We spent like 2 or 3 hours there. The weather kind of made it suck too, so I don't know if it just, I don't know. I didn't like it. I'm not like a expert trail hiker yet, so I'm not able to determine the different kinds of trees and birds and stuff, but we drove like 2 hours out there and I don't know, it wasn't worth it. But if you're ever out there, try it if you're bored.